I'm super excited. We actually live in 2025 and these things exist. This is an AI recorder, voice recorder, and it's called the Recall X. It was sent for my review, and this thing is tiny and powerful. I want to reiterate how tiny this is. It's extremely light. I feel like I'm just literally holding a credit card or, some ID right there. It is full metal. It's actually super, super solid as well. So it is solid state. It does have one button, one power button, and kind of a microphone that's right there, like a sensor. It also will charge right on the thing, and it is a proprietary charger. The cable comes with it. They also include a little pouch. I would not need the pouch, and I'll tell you why. Because they do include probably one of the nicest little cases for this thing. Why would you need a case for this? Because yes, this can fit in your wallet, in your pocket, very easy, and will be able to record meetings, conversations, what have you. But with this little thing, it kind of adds a different thing to it. And I'll show you what it is. So literally, you fit it in just like an iPhone case, right? And look at that, it's clear. But you probably notice there is a MagSafe kind of magnet here. So I could literally magnetize it and boom, it's sticking to my phone. Why would I stick it to my phone like that? Well, this thing is able to do voice and meetings, conversations and recordings, but it can also, if I toggle it, it can also record my conversations on the phone. So I could literally be on my phone with this thing on, and it will transcribe and record my conversations, which is fantastic. If you're on the go, if you don't have a personal assistant, like most of us don't, this will become your personal assistant, which I think is great. Now I want to show you the app, a little bit of how it works. It is Bluetooth connected to your phone, and then everything else is seamless. And I'll show you what I mean by that. It's actually pretty darn cool. Check this out. So this is what it looks like. It tells me that I am connected, and it's right here. I don't have to have it at the back of my phone. It could be next to my phone if I wanted to, or in my pocket. And in this case, I've got different things. I could say short distance. So if it's a meeting that's at the table, this is a short distance recording. Telephone, I would literally go like that, telephone, and then put it on my phone, and then it would record the phone conversation. And then I could say long distance. Maybe it's a little bit away from my phone, and it will adjust itself. And then outdoors for any type of like weird noises that you may have. Obviously, if you want to have a conversation outdoors, this can still record it, but you need to put it under outdoor kind of mode so it knows what to disregard and what to focus on, which is important. And then, as you probably saw, you've got your battery percentage right here, and then you've got a bunch of different things that you can do with this. But what I want to talk about is, and I'm going to go and put it on short distance, because we want to put it on short distance for now, because we are right here. Check this out. This is really, really cool. So I'm going to have a conversation, and a conversation with myself, I know. But I want to show you what you can actually do with this. So hopefully you guys can see. If I press the mic, it comes up with recording, live transcription, simultaneous interpretation, face-to-face translation, and import file. What I want to do is probably live transcription, just to show you the power of this thing. And I think we are live transcribing right now. As you can see, this will nonstop until I literally stop it. It will not only time stamp it, but write everything that I'm saying as I'm saying it. And if there are people joining, I can actually have them join in as a different person. Basically, meeting with 4 people, it will have 4 different people that are talking. And then when I'm looking at this transcript again, I can see, oh, Seb is talking, Michelle is talking, Peter, blah, blah, blah. It's pretty cool. And then there's another thing that I want to show you. And of course, as you can see, it is still going. So I'm going to stop it just like that. And it records it and it keeps it there, right? And then the other thing that I want to show you is it also has simultaneous interpretation. So that means that I'm going to put it in, let's go French. And if I write in French right now, it will transcribe everything in French. Actually, this is still simplified Chinese. Let's put it in French. And you've got so many. Confirm. There you go. Now I changed it in French. And everything that I say writes it in English. And just under there, it writes it in French. And look how quick that is. It's pretty wild, huh? I love this thing. This is so, so cool. And the last thing I want to show you, and it's going to be harder to show it because I don't have a second person with me here, but check the face-to-face translation. This is upside down. I hope you can see it. And this is right side up because I would be holding it like this and then press and hold when I'm speaking. So I could speak with someone that is, let's put it, I want to confirm into Spanish. So this person here will be Spanish and I am English here, right? English here. So let's try it. Let's see if I can do it. Hello, how are you? I was hoping you could tell me where I could find some bathrooms. So it writes it in English first on my side and on their side, check it out. It actually writes it in Spanish, the language that I chose, and then they can answer, and it also will speak it out loud as well. So if they don't even want to read it, it will actually speak it out loud as well. So many different languages to choose from as well. So it's not just your personal assistant, it's also your personal translator, which is super cool. So this little thing should be in your wallet, should be attached to your phone with the MagSafe at all times because you never know when you're going to need it, especially traveling. I think this is a huge help, huge.